So what's up YouTube? Welcome back people, and I hope all are doing fine. Okay, let's start this video. Okay, so in this particular video, let's clear this up, which was in the last video. Okay, in this video we are teaching you about what is the use of df command. Df command stands for disk free. Okay, so you can check the disk free, there is how many free spaces I can get. So the total number of disk will be here in this particular block. Then how many is used will be in the particular block, and how many are available, how many storage is available will be in this particular block that will be available. So there is available of something like that, like 30 GB I guess. Yeah, 30 GB, something like that, in the devs folder. Okay, in the root folder there is like 57 GB available, and in the dev shm there is 30 GB, is 3 GB, something like that is available. Okay, let's use different what argument, that will be -t. So it will display the file system type. So you can use -t option to display the file system type only with what displays information. That will display the file system type. So file system type, oh okay, it's here. File system type, it is a dev tmpfs temporary files, and temporary files, and vfat files. Okay, let's shift into the next argument, that will be using -h. Is nothing but it is like a human readable. So human readable is nothing but it is easy, it will be easy for the human to read. So let's see what it is. Like it's saying the size, it is 2.9 GB, and it is saying 597 megabytes, and it is saying 3 GB is free. And you can see here it's like a 596 megabytes and 55 GB and 3 GB. Like it is too easy to us to read, right? That is human readable. Okay, let's jump into the next argument, that will be using -i. So if you use -i, so it will display the number of used and available inodes. It will display the used and available inodes. See, you have available, and here you have inodes available. That is what the see, here it is, here and here you have a separate column for inode. Okay, that is what the use of -i. Okay, if you need to display the specific file system, okay, you can also use df and the file system. That now I am using a root file system. If I press enter, then it will display only the root file system, but disk free. And if I use human readable also, it will display in the human readable. That will be 64 GB available, and size, and used is 8 GB, and 55 GB is available, and 13% is been filled, and the current directory will be root directory, that will be /. Okay, the next argument that I am teaching you is that using -p. -p is nothing but it is used to what option to force df to use POXIS output format. POXIS output, this is actually POXIS output format, something like that. POSIX, POXIS output format, which include specific columns like file system, yes it includes, and 1K blocks, yes it includes, used and available, and what use percentage and mount on, yeah, everything is available. Though this is the POSIX, POXIS format. This will be in the POXIS format. This is the this is actually called the POXIS something. I don't know how to spell that. POXIS format. Okay, let's clear this up. Okay, the next thing is that you can, if you don't know how to use the df command, you can use help. Oh, I'm using df help. It will show many arguments that you can use this with the df command. See, if you specify all, it will display the all, even the duplicates. And you can check the block size and human readable and inodes. I showed you that k will be the specific size. Okay, like if you need only like 3 GB or 55 GB, only that particular file will be displayed. And the local limit listing the local file system, and portable p I showed you. Boxes, this will be in the boxes output format. And t will be in the type, which type you need, limit listed to the file system of type something like that. If you need to print the file system type, okay, you can use -t. File system type I showed you, the file, it will be in the temporary, something like that. Okay, x you need to use for limit listing file system. Okay, v is used to check the version. You can also check the version using df version. It will show the version number, and it will show the people who written the code for this particular df command. Okay, so that is all up guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.